Good morning, students. Now, in today's class of admission of partner, we are going to learn a 12 marks problem when goodwill is raised or created as a new asset. The problem says Sharat and Bharat are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. The balance sheet on 31/3/2018 was as follows. Balance sheet on 31/3/2018. Credit liabilities, creditors 12,000, bills payable 8,000, general reserve 9,000, capitals Sharat is 20,000, Bharat 20,000. Now cash in hand 10,000, debtors 5,000, stock 10,000, furniture 4,000, building 40,000. Total of balance sheet 69,000, both the sides. Now adjustments. They admitted Kamath into partnership, giving him 1/5 share in future profits on following terms. First, the new partner should get rupees 25,000 as his capital. Next, goodwill of the firm is 24,000, which the incoming partner should get for 1/5 share. Value of building is to be appreciated by rupees 7,000 and furniture be appreciated by 1,000. Stock is valued at 10% less than book value and there is an outstanding printing bill for rupees 400. Now we have to prepare revaluation account, partner's capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. First, we'll prepare revaluation account. Yes, revaluation account, debit side, credit side, the table is drawn. Now, in the adjustments, the amount of capital and goodwill will not be taken in revaluation. It will go to partner's capital account. In revaluation, only the assets and liabilities will be appearing. So building is increased by 7,000. So on the credit side, as it is again, it will be taken 7,000. Similarly, furniture also is appreciated by 1,000. It's an increase. So all gains or increase in assets will be taken on the credit side. Next, coming to the debit side, that is the last adjustment. Stock depreciated at 10% less than the book value. Book value is 10,000. 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. It also says one unpaid liability is there, that is outstanding printing bill was existing. Now it is taken into account. Therefore, it has to be recorded in revaluation as it increases the liabilities. So increase in liabilities, decrease in value of assets will be always debited because they are losses. So 400. Now take the total of revaluation account. Credit side is more, 8,000. Write the same total, 8,000. Now the difference between 8,000 and 1,400, that is 1,000 plus 400. 1,400 is 6,600. This 6,600 has to be distributed to the old partners in their old ratio of 2/3 and 1/3, which amounts to 4,400 for Sharat and 2,200 for Bharat. The revaluation account gets completed. After revaluation, we are going to prepare partners capital account. Now, in partners capital account, we are going to draw the 8 columns total, because 2 columns for particulars, one on debit side, one on credit side, and the respective partners one account on both the sides, debit as well as credit. So on the debit side, we are going to write particulars Sharat, Bharat and Kamath. Similarly, credit side particulars Sharat, Bharat and Kamath. Yes, students, below the names of the partners, the denomination of rupees has to be mentioned. Otherwise, 1 marks will be cut in the exam if rupees is not mentioned. Next, coming to the balance sheet. From the balance sheet, we'll take the old partners capital account, that is 20,000 and 20,000. Next, we are having the reserves fund which is existing. So distribute the reserve in the ratio of 2:1, 2/3 and 1/3. So Sharat is getting 6,000, Bharat is getting 3,000. So total is 9,000. Now nothing is to be distributed to Kamath. Now come to the revaluation profit. Revaluation profit we have already calculated in revaluation account. Transfer it to partners capital account on the credit side, 4,400, 2,200. Now come to the first adjustment, that is the new partner has to get cash of rupees 25,000, bring in cash. So that 25,000 is the capital of the incoming partner. Credit it in his column. Now we will have by goodwill 16,000, distribute in the ratio of 2:1. So 2/3 and 1/3. 24 divided by 3 gives me 8,000. When I multiply it by 2, it becomes 16,000. So 16,000 and 8,000 is the total goodwill that is distributed. Now total the credit side of each partners. For Kamath, there is no other amount except 25,000. Now Bharat's total 20 plus 2,200 plus 3,000 plus 8,000 gives me 33,200. Next, for Sharat, 20,000 plus 4,400 plus 6,000 plus 16,000 gives me 46,400. Now this total is to be carried on the debit side of partners capital, saying to balance carried down 46,400, 33,200 and 25,000. Write the same total both the sides. After totaling, the same balance is to be shown that it is carried down for the next year. Followed? So on that date, what will be the capital will be again shown on the credit side. So in the exam or whenever partners capital account is prepared, the balance should be brought down for the next year. Now coming to the balance sheet. Now we are having balance sheet. So balance sheet on the date of admission, it has to be told. So balance sheet on 1/4/2018. Liabilities, assets and rupees column on both the sides. Now come to the balance sheet. We are having creditors, no adjustment is there. So 12,000 as it is. Next, bills payable is there. There is no adjustment, right as it is from the balance sheet. Now in the adjustment, I had one outstanding bill for 400. It was a double entry system, so all adjustments have to be recorded twice. So outstanding printing bill 4,000. Next, coming to the capital accounts. Now take the closing balance of all the partners. Sharat 46,400, Bharat 33,200 and Kamath 25,000. So this is the closing capital balances of the partners. Now coming to cash in hand on the asset side. Cash in hand 35,000, that is 10,000 which is the opening balance of cash. 10,000 which is the opening balance of cash and 25,000 is incoming partners capital account. So total will be 10,000 plus 25,000 which is 35,000. Next, stock. Stock is, book value is 10,000 in the balance sheet. Now depreciation has to be given, that is adjustment number 4, 1,000, it is 9,000. Next you are having debtors. Debtors are 5,000, no adjustment, so directly write in the outer column. Now come to furniture. Furniture is 4,000. Add appreciations. Appreciation is 1,000, so total will be 5,000. Next one is building. It is 40,000. Again appreciation is shown by 7,000. So add 7,000. So this is adjustment number 3. Now you will get 47,000 as the total. Now problem says goodwill is raised. So when goodwill is raised or created, take it as a new asset and show it in the balance sheet as a separate account. So write goodwill 24,000. Now total the asset side, that is 35,000 plus 9,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 47,000 plus 24,000, which gives us 1,25,000. Similarly, you go on adding the liability side. 12,000 plus 4,400 plus 8,000 plus 46,400 plus 33,200 plus 25,000. So total will be 1,25,000. So both the liabilities and assets should give us the same total. Then our problem is tallied. So we'll see for some more problems in the next class. Thank you.